Saya merupakan pengguna Tega Apple product, tapi kali ni saya nak ditch Apple product dan bertukar kepada Windows laptop. Nak tahu kenapa? Jom kita bedah. Hello everyone, it's Shasha again. Welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my video. Okay, hari ini kita nak ada kelainan sikit. Saya tak akan bercerita pasal car review ataupun car maintenance ataupun apa-apa yang kena-mengena dengan kereta. Hari ini saya nak share tentang the latest purchase that I made, which is going to be my daily driver, or in other words, my work laptop. Sebab selama ni saya pakai company laptop, laptop yang diberikan oleh company yang saya bekerja dengan. Dan sedikit latar belakang, saya merupakan pengguna Apple. Saya ada iPhone, iPad, AirPods dan pernah ada MacBook Pro 2014. Malangnya MacBook Pro saya telah dicuri sebab diorang pecah masuk rumah saya setahun yang lalu. Jadi within that period saya tak ada laptop. So selepas tahun barulah saya decide nak beli laptop. Pada mulanya saya nak beli MacBook Air, tapi yang the latest one lah, MacBook Air M1 chip tu. Tapi saya dah berada di payment page ni. Payment got decline sebabkan daily limit. Tapi tak apalah, cuma Apple kehilangan satu customer. Dan saya ingat tak apalah, saya beli nanti. Malangnya adalah seorang ni kan, dia meracun saya untuk mengambil Windows laptop adalah kerana okay, dulu saya selalu main game lah waktu kecil. Usually it's racing game. Di antaranya adalah macam Burnout Revenge, Need for Speed, Forza dan juga GTA. Okay, GTA is not a racing game lah. So dah lama tak main game. Dan sekarang tiba-tiba lah kan nak work hard play hard lah kononnya. So dia pun meracun saya untuk mengambil Asus Zephyrus G14 edisi 2021. So hari ini kita just nak share the unboxing experience of this laptop. I know there are a lot of videos out there about unboxing Apple products. It doesn't matter, it could be MacBook, iMac, iPhone, AirPods, apa-apalah. And agak kurang bila Windows laptop atau products lain Apple. And sebenarnya saya dah pakai laptop ni seminggu. Just that saya masuk balik laptop ni dalam kotak sebab just nak share the experience lah, the unboxing experience of a Windows laptop, specifically a gaming laptop. Okay, so kita, just so you know, mine is colour putih with anime matrix. I wanted to get the black one, tapi dah out of stock. And waktu tu I cari memang dalam, I think dalam Malaysia about 3-4 stok je tinggal, 2-3 stok gitulah. Alright, so there's no peeling plastik macam Apple product. Sebab kalau beli iMac ke apa, dia macam ada keluar ni macam ada balut plastik kan. Yang ni tak ada, it's just pure kotak. Alright, so gonna take it out. It's quite heavy tau benda ni. Alright, so I'm just gonna put this down. Ouch. Ta-da! Okay, so it's a simple box. There's no label here, nope, just kotak yang tadi je. So this one, the one that I have is the specs are 16GB RAM, 1TB SSD, and then graphic card Ryzen. No, that is processor AMD Ryzen, and then graphic card is the 3060 RTX 3060. Okay. Oh, lupa nak tunjuk. So when you take it out the box, and then bila you buka kotak ni, the box macam lifts up the laptop. Cantik lah. There you go. So it's a white colour. So sini ada tulis lah ROG, Republic of Gamers, IC of Gamers, join TH. I don't know. Okay. And then this is the laptop. It's very light. I think it's about 1.8 kilogram, and it's a gaming laptop. Okay, one of the reason why I'm taking this laptop because first nak main game, second it's a gaming laptop but it's very light. I wanted to get HP Omen, and lagi satu I think I don't remember what model, but I have like 3 model in the list, and in the end I pilih yang ini sebab it's very light. Okay, it's very simple. You just buka flap macam ni, and then dia macam sleeve je. There you go. So This is the laptop. It's half polycarbonate and magnesium, tak salah I. So the finishing, I don't know sebab cahaya kan, okay nampak ke tak. Tapi dia macam pearl white. It's very nice to touch. Okay, nanti kita cakap pasal laptop. Let's see what's in the box. So we have this. Ni macam I think it's book of instruction lah. And then dia macam ada comic. Dia ada comic dalam ni about ROG. And then yeah, this is just the receipt. So this laptop is priced at 7699, RM7,699 Malaysia. Yes. Okay. And then okay, another thing. This laptop comes with 2 power bricks. Satu untuk you letak dekat rumah, which is the big one, and also it's not that heavy. And then the other one is to travel, for you to travel. Yang ini dia akan pakai USB-C. Alright, kita ada 2. And then dia pun ada bagi 1 mouse. And also kedai tu ada bagi I mouse Logitech. Tapi mana entah I letak. Tapi I tak pakai mouse ni lah, I pakai mouse Logitech tu. Okay, this kalau beli separately, I think it's about RM100. I tengok dekat Shopee. So I tak pakai mouse ni, sayang. So I just pakai the Logitech. Plus I main game pun tak pakai mouse, I pakai controller. Alright, so inilah masuk kotak. Okay, and then this part is, oh, it's just the cable lah. Ada 2, satu for the small brick, satu for the bigger brick. Yap, itu saja. Nothing much. Tak ada pil-pil, tak ada. Dia tak macam kita unbox Apple product. Alright, itu saja for the unboxing. Let's go a little bit on the laptop. Oh yeah, one more thing. Dia actually bagi laptop sleeve, and I would say it's some sort macam waterproof. Sebab kalau you tengok kat zip dia ni, zip dia ni betul-betul macam talis air lah. Tak masuk air. It's very nice and handy. Bagus lah dia bagi laptop sleeve. Usually kan kita dapat laptop bag. Okay, alright, so I'm just gonna put this off tepi dulu. Alright, so now let's talk about the laptop. It's half magnesium, half polycarbonate. Okay, dekat belakang ni, this is the air vent. Yang ini just tipu-tipu je air vent dia. It's not, dia tak berlubang pun. And then, yep, here. And then, so kalau you perasan, bila you buka laptop ni, the hinge actually lifts up the laptop. So, untuk better air circulation. Tak salah saya bila saya tengok review, the previous generation of this laptop, dia macam ada issue dengan heat. Dia terlalu dia menjadi terlalu panas. Tapi yang kali ni tak salah saya, dia dah fix that issue. So this laptop should be good. And then let's go on. Okay, kat sini pun dia ada. Macam mana saya tunjuk Okay, kat sini. More air vents here to remove the excess heat, better cooling. Okay. Lagi satu I perasan, bila I buka laptop ni, when you look at the stickers, you tengok stickers ni macam sengit sikit. Tapi dia tak effect apa-apa pun. It's just that pelik lah QC dia sticker dia sengit. Okay. And then yang kat sini adalah speaker dia. Just so you know, speaker dia is Dolby Atmos. Memang very crisp. The clarity is very good. So to me, this laptop kan kena dengan apa I punya kemahuan. Ringan, boleh main game, very powerful, sound system okay for entertainment. Even the screen pun, it's one of the top notch screen jugalah. Okay, we go to the side of the laptop. Yang bestnya Windows laptop masih lagi ada bermacam port, tak macam Apple products whereby you need to buy a dongle for it. So yang ini adalah untuk power supply. This is HDMI, USB-C dan audio jack. Unfortunately, it's not USB-C Thunderbolt, it's USB-C 3.2. And kat sini pun kita ada lagi satu USB-C and 2 USB-A. And this one can sync lock lah. Okay. The keyboard, the experience of the keyboard. Okay, it's not flimsy. So usually Windows laptop it's a bit flimsy lah. Dia macam ada rasa macam hollow. Dia punya key macam a bit curvy inside. And then trackpad dia, ramai orang complain the about the size, sebab kalau boleh diorang macam lagi besar, but to me this size is sufficient for me. And bestnya, bila kita pakai mousepad, kita tak pakai mouse, kita pakai trackpad ni lah, it's very smooth macam Apple. Okay. Not that I want to compare this with Apple, tapi I would say even though it's Windows, selalu orang kata macam Windows tak best lah apa, but to me this is good. So everyone has been saying that this laptop is perfect for content creator who wants to do a little bit of gaming dan juga macam everyday life punya laptop lah, macam iMac. Sebab tu okay, macam ni, it goes back to what is your need and what is your want. Kalau you tak main game, you can just go for a MacBook. Tapi kalau you main game and you nak pakai ni untuk kerja harian, content creation, macam buat video, macam I buat video, so it's a perfect combination to get this laptop. To be fair, kalau you nak compare ni dengan Apple product, which is a MacBook Air atau MacBook Pro M1 chip, to me it's not relevant because it goes back to your need. Kalau asalnya I tak terfikir pun nak main game, memang I nak ambil MacBook, dah masuk kad dah pun. But since this person, dia bagi I idea, kalau you nak main game, then might as well get a Windows. So that's why I get this Windows laptop. Yes, the price is a bit high for us, tapi you cannot put a price on mobility sebab memang ringan gila weh. Initially I own Asus laptop before I get that MacBook, which is the Asus N56. I got a free subwoofer. It's a 17-inch laptop, tak salah I mau 3 kilo lebih tu. And I bawa pergi jalan, pergi college, jalan kaki pergi college semua. So yeah, I've owned a bigger laptop than this then. So I appreciate so much the lightness of this laptop and the capability of this laptop. Oh, that laptop actually, waktu I beli Asus N56, I dapat free Xbox One. One of the reason why I beli juga laptop. Okay, what is cool about this laptop is dia ada the anime matrix. I'm not sure if you cannot see it yet. Let me switch on the effect. Can you see it? Alright. So sebab cuaca tengah terang sekarang, I'm not sure if you can see this. So funky kan? So one of the reason juga lah I beli laptop ni, sebab it's so funky. And then tapi yang I pelik kan, the colour combination of this laptop. Okay, kalau black, kalau kita ambil colour hitam, memang semua hitam lah. Tapi yang ini tengok sini putih, then the screen is black, and then kat sini keyboard colour grey. So I think the colour combination it's a bit off. Why don't diorang buat all black ke kat dalam? Ni ada 3 colour, so macam pedih sikit. And disebabkan keyboard dia, this part is colour grey, keyboard dia colour grey, so bila the LED backlight colour putih, you tak nampak pun sebenarnya. It's a bit useless lah. Tapi kalau dalam gelap, tak apalah. As in kalau during daylight, you tak nampak pun lampu tu. Okay. Alright dah.
3 clicks to make it bright and to dim it.
Oops.
Dan ada 3 light basic effect atau style.
Okay, I dah switch on. Tak nampak pun colournya Okay, so macam a bit off sikit lah combination dia in terms of the colour. Okay, macam mana battery life laptop ni pula? Untuk you compare dengan MacBook, memang kalah lah. MacBook, the battery life is much more longer. Boleh 2-3 hari lah kot. Tapi kalau untuk yang ini, tak salah saya, around 12.5 hours untuk video playback dan 13.5 atau 0.7 untuk apa ni, web browsing. Tapi tak apalah, saya pun most of the time I actually limit myself to play games. So daily usually maximum 2 hours of playing games and lain semua kerja lah. Sebab every hour you need to learn to monetize, then baru you macam in a way you appreciate the time of your life. Okay, meripik je. So for me to bawa laptop ni, let's say lah bila tak ada MCO, kita pergi Starbucks ke, pergi cafe ke buat kerja, it's not an issue sebab it has a long battery life and you can actually play games. So tak perlu pun nak bawa your, what do you call that, the power brick. Yes. So itu saja untuk laptop ni to go into technical details, ataupun maybe I can do like after 1 month usage another review. Tapi hari ni my goal is to just share with you the unboxing experience of this Windows laptop, this gaming laptop. Sebab I know selalunya banyak macam Apple product macam memang best lah, macam you peel this, you peel that. The experience is so cool, so satisfying. Tapi yang ni very simple, very direct. Few points to note about this laptop. It's very powerful. It's very ringan for a gaming laptop. It's not bulky at all. The keyboard is okay. I love the trackpad. Oh yeah, one more thing. It doesn't have a webcam. It doesn't have a webcam, so you kena beli webcam. Kalau sekarang kita banyak video calls kan, virtual meetings. So you kena beli webcam for this. But at least it's good. Maybe that's how they cut the price. And also I feel safe. Kalau laptop terbiar terbuka macam ni, tak perlulah nak risau apa ni, ada orang, tak perlu nak risau ada orang hack kita punya laptop ke apa kan. So tak perlu nak letak stiker semua. Yes. So that's apa lagi point yang boleh I ambil. Okay, itu je lah. Oh yeah, one more thing. Asyik one more thing je. The apa ni, volume button here, dia memudahkan kita untuk tekan volume up, volume down. And also sebenarnya ada orang juga komen, patutnya volume button ni dia boleh bawa kat tepi ataupun masuk je include in this keyboard layout. Sebab at least dia orang boleh, the manufacturer boleh besarkan the trackpad tu. For some of them yang review, the trackpad is not huge enough. Tapi for me, it's fine. I prefer the button, ada button sebiji untuk volume macam ni. Sebab even my keyboard pun, the reason why I beli keyboard Philips tu sebab dia ada butang dia ada volume knob and also butang untuk play, pause, next, backward. Yeah. Itu saja untuk video kali ini. Kalau you guys nak tahu more on the laptop technical specs, I'll do it in the next video, in other next videos. Questions, comments, feedback, put it down. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And for my current subscriber, thank you so much. I know this video tak ada kena dengan creator because that is more my niche. Teruskan menonton. Stay safe. Sekarang dah boleh dine in kan? Okay, jaga diri and kalau boleh pilih outdoor. But it's okay, kita support all the businesses now. And stay tuned guys. Banyak lagi konten dalam kepala nak buat video. Just that macam kena cari mood sikit. Okay, bye.